remote system, it connects by default over port 22. Unlike Telnet, which uses port 23 in plaintext authentication, SSH uses encrypted authentication. An SSH client is typically used to remotely control a system running an SSH server. The two main versions of Secure Shell are SSH1 and SSH2. Version 1 was invented in 1995 by Tatu Julonen, a researcher at Helsinki University of Technology, Finland. It was intended as a replacement for the unencrypted and unsafe Telnet. Version 2 was developed by the Internet Engineering Task Force and officially adopted in 2006. It improved vulnerabilities in SSH1 by implementing the Diffie-Hellman key exchange between client and server. We've looked at using Telnet, but Telnet poses a security risk because it uses unencrypted authentication. And if someone were using packet capturing software, they can pretty much grab your passwords easily with Telnet. So Telnet's an option, but a better option might be Secure Shell. And I'm just going to do sudo to install it, apt-get install, and you can do SSH, and there's OpenSSH, and there's several flavors of Secure Shell out there, but I'm just going to do this particular version here. And I'll just say yes, and yes. And I'll need to reboot, and the first time I run this, I'll try to generate a key pair. But just to test it out, what this will do is this will pretty much allow me to remotely control or log in, at least get a command prompt login. It's not like using RDP or using VNC or anything. I don't get like the graphical X one in it. But I can, pretty much anything I can do from a command prompt locally on the machine, I could log in from another host somewhere else on the network and do the same thing. And it would be encrypted and protected against prying eyes on, a public network. So just to test that out, it's been installed, and it's going to tell me, the first time it's going to warn me because it's the first time I've run it. There's no key for it, but I'm just going to try the loop back here, 127001. Test it out. And I'm sure you want to continue connecting, and I'm going to say yes. And of course, it's just me, trust myself, but okay. And so now, if I were on a remote system, basically I would log in via console, so now it's encrypted, and I can use any user account on that system and a password that has been enabled for Secure Shell access and remotely administer that system. When I'm done, I would just hit exit, and I would leave, and that would put me back in my local system. So it's a nice tool for